my beauties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today's video is all about the best hair masks. Now, when we talk about hair masks, we not just expect hydration, moisturization, we do also expect repair. I'll be very honest with you, there are very few affordable hair masks out there that will give you repair. I do have one option here for you, but essentially there are options for all different hair types that will not give you any bond repair as such except one product, but it will definitely soften your hair. So I have options for curly hair, wavy hair, if you have fine hair, if you have thick coarse hair, you will find something for yourself in this video. And for those of you who have chemically damaged or heat damaged hair, then you must watch this video until the end, because I have a very good budget friendly option for you, which is going to give you bond repair and long-term repair and good health of your hair. With that said, let's quickly dive right in today's video. If you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel. Do also make sure you've hit the notification bell. Do also follow me on my Instagram. And please don't forget to check out my website, ChetaliChadha.com, where you have a tailor-made skincare course for Indian skin. All the products will be tagged with this video for your convenience. And now let's quickly dive right into it. Now, I am not going to go in any particular order, but I have 9 hair masks for you, and these are the best of the best out of all the several hair masks that I have studied. Of course, we will do a part 2 because there are so many products, to look at, study their science, experience them, test them out. But the first product is for fine hair, because a lot of you who have fine hair always ask for options. And what I have here is the Fusion Intense Repair Mask. Incredible for fine hair. It will not weigh your hair down. It has an amino acid filling, histidine, alanine, glycine, which are small enough to penetrate the cuticle. So if you have fine hair and you're looking for something that is going to moisturize the lens, keep them frizz-free, hydrated, detangle easily, and just maintain the health of your hair in the long run, this is the one to go for. Again, this is not something that is going to give you any bond repair as such, but definitely a very good product for the price you pay here. So if you're fine hair, I highly recommend try this one. Then we have the OG of hair mask, and I'm very sure at some point or the other you would have seen this, especially in salons, and this is the Spa Essence Enriching Mask from the brand Squash Off. I have used and recommended this so much. This should probably be my 5th or 6th tub. It works really well for my hair, and because you get so much product here, this is definitely great value for the money, and the formula is actually very good chemistry. Again, a product that is great if you have thick hair, if you're looking for hydration. Even if you're someone who has fine hair, just use a little bit less quantity, because this is definitely a product that might weigh your hair down if you have fine hair and you use it a lot. But this is literally a rounded product, so all types of hair can use it, because this is really moisturizing on the lens. Now again, for the price you pay here, you do get a decent formula. Might not be the top notch, but you get this big ass jar, and this doesn't empty out easily, trust me. So literally this is 500 ml of product, and you have to pay 660 rupees. I mean, what do you have to lose? So for the price and the quantity you get here, really good one in my opinion. One quick tip would be, and that goes for all hair masks, normally it's written on the packaging that, apply it for 3 to 4 minutes. I have used so many hair masks, and I have seen that when I apply it for 5 to 6 minutes, the results are drastically different. So I highly recommend leave on your mask for a slightly longer period of time. But if you are fine hair and you're using something like this, probably 3 minutes should be more than enough for you. Now moving on to the next product, which is actually a new launch, and this is the Tresemme 10x Hydration 1 Minute Hair Mask Treatment Mask. It is the Hydra Matrix range. Again, I feel this is for anyone who's looking to hydrate their hair. If you have frizzy hair, dry hair, this has polyglutamic acid, which is great for hydration particularly. Honestly, I did not expect it to like this product so much. Definitely something which works for if you're someone who has heat style damaged hair, like I have over a period of time. This one is not going to give you any bond repair or not going to give you any damage repair to your hair. So keep your expectations realistic, but this is really going to moisturize the lens and give that hydration back. I really like how my hair feels super soft, and it has added a bit of shine also. So overall, again, for the price you pay here, 600 rupees for 300 ml is pretty good for a brand like Tresemme. Definitely try this out if you're looking for something on budget to moisturize the lens and hydrate your length. Now, I have done a full breakdown of rating 2 parts of hair mask. I'm going to link those videos right here in the eye. Go ahead, check out my short form content. I do a lot of ratings in the short form content, and you will find a very scientific breakdown of each and every one of these along with ingredients. Another product which is a salon favorite is the L'Oreal Absolute Repair. This has quaternized wheat protein which binds to damaged hair. This has really good frizz control. So if you're someone who has frizzy hair, like my hair tend to get really frizzy, this is also something that I have really used and enjoyed. This is not something, it's literally been in the market for a long time. I'm pretty sure at some point or the other you guys must have seen this. Definitely on the slightly higher end of things as compared to Squash Off and Tresemme right here. You pay 860 rupees, almost 900 rupees for 250 grams. But if you are someone who has frizzy hair, this definitely solves that problem for you. Also something which I feel really helps moisturize the lens. My only problem with this is the dyes. Like they have 2 yellow dyes here, which is completely unnecessary, because you don't really need to add color in your skincare hair care products, is what I always feel. I mean, just brands should always focus on the science and keep it simplistic and not make it gimmicky. Other than that, this has been a personal favorite, and that's why it features in this video. So if you have extremely frizzy hair, try this one. Then coming to a hair mask which is so good and also on budget. It's amazing how this brand formulates products which is science backed and yet gets it right with the price point. I'm talking about Minimalist Malic Bond Repair hair mask. Now this is excellent formula, excellent science here, good bond repair. If you need bond repair, if you have chemically damaged and heat damaged hair, this is the kind of product to go in for. Now this has malic acid which holds water and transglutaminase enzyme which stitches the broken proteins from within. This is a formula from which you cannot expect any intense hydration or frizz control, because the job of this hair mask is to actually repair the broken bonds. 6 amino acids, ceramide NP and quaternized wheat protein. Do not expect any surface conditioning but repair from this product. The price you pay here is $3.99 for 100 grams of product. This is gold in my opinion. If you have damaged hair, definitely try this one. Something that I've utilized personally and experienced it and tested it out and then recommending it to you. So if you have damaged hair particularly and you need bond repair, this is the one to go for. Then I have another formula, and this is amazing if you have frizzy, dry hair. You are going to thank me for recommending this. I did not have such high expectations, and slowly this brand is impressing me the more I try their products. I'm talking about Bare Anatomy Ultra Smoothing Hair Mask. Now the claims here says restore smoothness and texture by 27%. I couldn't agree more. Comes with niacinamide, you have squalane here, you also have saccharide isomerate. Such clean chemistry here. Definitely a product which, if you have frizzy hair, dry hair, hair that are unmanageable, you are going to love this. This detangles the hair so beautifully as well. This is one of those formulas that you definitely need to leave on your hair for about 5 to 6 minutes for it to really show the magic. Also, another great thing, while it's so hydrating, moisturizing, it doesn't weigh down your hair. But the frizz control on this one, the dryness control on this one, the adding softness and shine to this one is top notch. Then we have another crowd favorite. This is the Dove 10-in-1 hair mask with chickpea, quinoa, lentil, essentially plant protein is what you get here. Decent conditioning, not the top notch, not the best, but I would say as compared to the options that I have here for you. But for the price you pay here, again, this is 300 ml of product for 649 rupees. You often get it at huge discounts, like you'll easily get it for about 450 or 500 rupees depending on when you're picking up, which sale you're picking up from. I think this is really worth the the price. So decent conditioning is what I would say. So if you're someone who doesn't have excessively dry hair, excessively frizzy hair, you just need a good hair mask to do the job for you, to moisturize, hydrate the lens. This is something you can try. Okay, then I'm going to be talking about two more hair masks here for you, and the price range is a little bit high. But if you have chemically damaged hair, specifically heat damaged hair as well, like mine, you're going to love this. This is the Absolute Repair Molecular Hair Mask from L'Oreal. I think L'Oreal did a fabulous job with this one. They have made a few other hair masks, but I think this one works really well, especially if you have fine hair also. You're going to enjoy this. The texture of this is unlike a regular hair mask. It's not like super thin. It's a slightly kind of a runny consistency, if you know what I mean. I don't know if you can see it properly, but yeah, it has a slightly runny consistency. It is something that doesn't weigh the hair down, and if you have chemically treated hair specifically, the science on this one is so super solid for chemically damaged and heat damaged hair. Okay, the last product is something I have a love and hate relationship with, but it had to be featured in this video because this is one of those products that is amazing for coarse hair. So if you have coarse hair, thick hair, like really thick hair, and nothing works for you, this has argan oil in really high concentration. Give this one a shot. My only problem with this is, and I do not expect it from a brand like Moroccan oil, is that this one has a formaldehyde releasing preservative. I mean, why do we need to do that in 2026? So if you're someone who doesn't mind a formaldehyde releasing preservative, you can go ahead and try this product because the overall formulation is pretty decent for someone specifically with coarse hair. So if you're someone who has coarse, frizzy, thick hair and need deep lipid saturation, this is definitely a product that you will really enjoy using. But keep in mind the preservative system here. If you don't mind it, go ahead, try this one. Alright, with that, it's a wrap. I really hope you enjoyed watching this quick but very important video. With monsoon right around the corner, hair mask is something that all of us will need because we really need to give some extra love to your hair around monsoon. Make sure you condition them, make sure you just either oil them, use your hair growth serums. I recently did a video on monsoon hair care routine. I'm going to link it right here. Go ahead, check that one out as well. Has some incredible options for you to look at other than everything other than hair masks. So hair mask options are there, but of course this video is dedicatedly for that. But if you have any video recommendations for me, if you have any suggestions for me, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. I really hope you'll be able to pick out a hair mask suitable for your hair from this video. Until I see you next, take good care of yourselves. Thank you so much for watching. Lots of love. Bye-bye.